Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're driving on Highway 2000 East-West leg. This is the PJ Patterson Highway. So guys, I want to ask you guys a question. How do you think the highways in Jamaica rank based on highways in other countries? So this is probably the nicest highway in Jamaica. It's been built a long time ago, but it's been well maintained. This is a standard for highways in Jamaica. This highway is going to go from Kingston to Negril, and then from Black River over to Montego Bay, and then from Kingston to Montego Bay. This is the standard that they use to build highways. 2-lane dual carriageway. So in terms of other countries, like people who live outside of Jamaica, how would you rank this kind of highway? Because I mean, in America you have highways that are probably 6 lanes, wider highways, but in terms of this highway setup, the structure that they're using in Jamaica, how would you rank it? Based on, and even other Caribbean countries, do you guys have highways like this that go through the island? What kind of highway infrastructure you guys have, and compare it to this highway infrastructure in Jamaica? Is this better, worse, the same? I'm just curious, because in Jamaica these roads are vital. I mean, this system, this type of highway, it works well. You don't really find traffic backed up on these highways. They can accommodate the flow of traffic, so we wouldn't need a 6-lane highway in Jamaica. This road gets the job done. It's a toll road. Nothing wrong with paying toll to use the highways. People do it all over the world. But I'm just curious to get the feedback from you guys. As we said, this 4-lane dual carriageway, it works for Jamaica. It works well. And we're going to have this highway set up going right through the island, actually, because this model, I should say, goes to Port Antonio as well. So from Port Antonio all the way back to Negril, you have this model road. And then I think they're going to build a road like this from Negril all the way back to Montego Bay. But from Black River over to Montego Bay, they're building this road. And then from Montego Bay back to Kingston, you're going to have this road, this type of road. There are no plans to build any road wider than 2 lanes, 4 lanes in Jamaica, I should say. Although, if it were to happen, it would have to be on the North Coast. But the North Coast is going to get 2 highways, one a toll road and one is just the expansion of Northern Coastal Highway. This same model, but just 2 different roads. This is the Vineyards Toll Plaza, which probably is the second busiest toll plaza in Jamaica, the busiest being Portmore. Morning. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.